Okay, well, I accidentally hit stop. So back at it. I'm getting a signal here. See? Here where my man was jackhammering and got the bit stuck in it. I knew there'd be some debris here at the base of this because he probably broke his machine when he was doing this. So here it is. Okay, let's see if I can do this here. Just making sure if you can see this here. Yes, you can see it. Okay. Look. Ah. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at this. You know, I don't care what the discovery is, man. The only thing I care about is being able to know where to get this. This has been sitting in the god dang ground for 100 years. I bet you this came off at his machine. Because he broke his machine or something when he was jackhammering this. Look at this. Pretty cool. I think it's copper. I think that's why it was coming, it was on the jewelry side. Let's see what we got. I think that was it. Yep. Pretty cool.